On Tuesday, the Surgeon General released a new report showing an alarming increase in the number of melanoma cases since 1973. 22 News Storm Team meteorologist Adam Stremko explains what's causing the number of cases to rise.
Well, Juliana, while other forms of cancer are decreasing, there has been a rapid rise in skin cancer. The Acting U.S. Surgeon General is reporting that there has been a 200% jump in deadly melanoma cases since 1973. Melanoma is the deadliest form of skin cancer, with 9,000 people dying from it each year. It is, however, preventable if you take steps to protect yourself from the sun.
I certainly do. Got a sweater on. I try to stay out of the sun as much as I can. I see a dermatologist on an annual basis just to be sure that everything's okay.
Dr. Wilson Mertens, the medical director of cancer services at Bay State Health, says prevention needs to start at a young age.
And much of the risk for development of melanoma occurs when children have been overexposed to sun. So we need to be able to model to our kids that we restrict our sun exposure, that we do not use tanning booths, that we use sunscreen and avoid sun at the peak times of the day.
The Surgeon General is calling on government officials to become more involved in prevention. Rear Admiral Boris Lushniak says state and local officials need to do more to help people cover up, such as providing shade at parks and sporting events. Doctors recommend doing regular skin checks for new moles and seeing a doctor if there is any change in size, shape, or color. Doctors also recommend applying at least 1 ounce of sunscreen with an SPF 30 or more and reapplying it every 2 hours. Now, the Melanoma Research Foundation says exposure to tanning beds before age 30 increases a person's risk of developing melanoma by 75%. Live in the studio, Adam Stremko, 22 News.